Excuse me?
We have matching assholes.
What?
Dude, I just shit like a hole in the fucking toilet.
What?
Yeah.
Did you really shit your pants?
Yeah, there's like a little dot. You wanna see? You wanna see?
I'm not looking at your poop. What the fuck are you doing in there?
I just took a giant fucking diarrhea shit all over.
Excuse me?
Dude, this Hershey squirts all over the place.
Gross!
Oh, fuck! Dude, you dropped the air freshener! No! The fucking foam shaving cream fucking moisturizing for women shit. I can shit on my hand and give it to you.
What?